Before you drift into sleep, I invite you to breathe gently. Slow in and slow out. Let your shoulders soften. Your eyelids feel a little heavier. Tonight, you're going to take a peaceful journey through the Milky Way, the vast and gentle galaxy we call home. As you listen, let each word guide you deeper into calm, and let the quiet beauty of space invite you into rest. The Milky Way is a grand, spiraling island of stars, shaped like a delicate pinwheel floating through infinite darkness. Astronomers believe it holds hundreds of billions of stars, each one glowing with its own quiet warmth. Our galaxy has been here for more than 13 billion years, forming long before Earth existed, long before the Sun was born. It stretches across about 100,000 light-years, so wide that even a beam of light, moving faster than anything in the universe, would take 100,000 years to travel from one end to the other. At the very center of the Milky Way lies a mysterious and powerful presence, a supermassive black hole called Sagittarius, a star. It is 4 million times the mass of our Sun. Even with such unimaginable strength, the center doesn't feel chaotic. It feels ancient, steady, like a silent heartbeat. Stars near the core move incredibly fast, swirling around the black hole in graceful orbits, like glowing dancers circling a dark center. Our home sits far from this busy center, in a quiet region of the galaxy known as the Orion Arm. This arm is just one of the Milky Way's beautiful spiral arms, long curved rivers of stars, dust, and glowing clouds. Within these arms live young, bright stars that formed recently, shining with the blue-white light of youth. In contrast, the bulge near the center holds older, reddish stars that have burned steadily for billions of years. Surrounding the Milky Way is a vast halo made of faint stars, ancient star clusters, and something more mysterious: dark matter. Dark matter doesn't shine, doesn't reflect light, and yet it holds the galaxy together with gentle gravitational strength. Without it, the Milky Way's spiral arms would drift apart like smoke in the wind. Scattered throughout our galaxy are enormous clouds of gas and dust, nebulae, places where new stars are born. One of the most famous is the Orion Nebula, a glowing nursery where thousands of newborn stars sparkle inside swirling clouds of pink and purple. These star-forming regions are delicate places where gravity slowly pulls gas together until a spark of nuclear fusion ignites, creating a brand new star. Elsewhere in the galaxy lie darker clouds, thick and cold, where dust blocks starlight from passing through. These shadows in space are called dark nebulae, and one of them, the Horsehead Nebula, appears like a silhouette carved out of glowing light. Nebulae shine in beautiful colors because different elements glow differently. Hydrogen glows red, oxygen glows blue, sulfur glows a deep, warm orange. These glowing clouds paint the galaxy with cosmic brushstrokes. The Milky Way is not alone in its cosmic neighborhood. It belongs to a peaceful collection of more than 50 galaxies called the Local Group. Our closest large neighbor is the Andromeda Galaxy, a majestic spiral larger than our own. Andromeda is drifting gently toward the Milky Way. In about 4 billion years, the two galaxies will merge in a slow, graceful dance, forming a new, enormous galaxy. Despite their size, the stars are so widely spaced that almost none will collide. Space is far emptier than we can imagine. Orbiting around the Milky Way are small companion galaxies, like the Large and Small Magellanic Clouds. These dwarf galaxies move around us like quiet companions circling a great cosmic lighthouse. Over time, the Milky Way gently pulls in smaller galaxies, adding their stars and material to its vast collection. This slow growth is one reason the galaxy has become so large and rich in stars. The Milky Way's disk is surprisingly thin compared to its width, only about 1,000 light-years thick. Yet above and below the disk lies the halo, containing ancient star clusters known as globular clusters. Some of these clusters are more than 12 billion years old, forming soon after the universe was born. The stars inside them are tightly packed, shining like tiny jewels held together by gravity. The spiral arms of the Milky Way are not solid structures. They are more like patterns, waves of higher density, where stars move in and out over millions of years. Gas in these denser regions is compressed, creating new stars, which illuminate the arms and make them visible across the galaxy. Our solar system has drifted through several spiral arms over its long history, experiencing periods of more intense starlight and times of gentle calm. For centuries, astronomers struggled to understand the Milky Way because thick dust blocked our view. But radio waves and infrared light can pass through dust, allowing scientists to map the galaxy's structure with special telescopes. X-ray telescopes reveal energetic events near black holes and exploding stars, helping us see the hidden forces shaping the galaxy. To us on Earth, the Milky Way appears as a soft, glowing band of light stretching across the night sky. This gentle river of stars has inspired stories around the world. Ancient Greeks imagined it as milk spilled by a goddess. Some cultures saw it as the path of wandering souls. Others viewed it as a celestial river guiding travelers through the night. Deep within the galaxy, stars live out their long lives, shining for billions of years. When massive stars reach the end, they explode in brilliant supernova, scattering heavy elements, carbon, oxygen, iron, into space. These elements later form new stars, new planets, and eventually, life. Every atom in your body was created inside a star long ago. You are, in a beautiful and literal way, made of stardust. The Milky Way is home to giant molecular clouds, cold, dense regions where millions of stars may one day form. Some of these clouds span hundreds of light years, filled with quiet potential. Occasionally, a dying star collapses into a neutron star, an object so dense that a teaspoon of its material would weigh billions of tons. Other times, stars collapse into black holes, creating small but incredibly powerful pockets of gravity. Our galaxy emits faint gamma rays, mysterious signals that may come from energetic processes or even interactions of dark matter particles. It also contains a vast magnetic field stretching across thousands of light years, guiding charged particles and shaping waves of cosmic radiation. Even now, the Milky Way is slowly drifting toward a larger structure called the Virgo cluster. Over billions of years, clusters and superclusters will merge, forming even greater structures across the universe. But all of this happens slowly, gently, over unimaginable stretches of time. For now, the Milky Way is stable, calm, and full of quiet beauty. Stars continue to form, planets continue to orbit, and the galaxy slowly turns like a peaceful wheel in the dark. Its spiral arms shimmer with young stars, while its ancient halo watches over everything like an ageless guardian. As you breathe softly, imagine yourself floating through this galaxy, drifting past glowing nebulae, watching stars flicker gently in the distance, feeling weightless and warm, wrapped in the soft glow of starlight. The universe is vast, calm, and full of wonder. And tonight, you are a quiet traveler among the stars, Let the Milky Way hold your thoughts. Let its ancient calm settle into you. And allow sleep to rise gently, like a star dimming into peaceful night. Rest now, and dream beneath the galaxy that has watched over Earth for billions of years.